He gave a great heave. Oh! Groaned Scruffy. I don't like this. Go it! Yelled Duck. Well done, boy. Well done. Oh! Wailed Scruffy. Oh! I'm coming apart! And he did. Then there was trouble.
Well, Oliver, so you don't know your own strength, is that it?
No, sir, said Oliver nervously. The Fat Controller inspected Scruffy, as a thought.
Rotten wood, rusty frames. Maybe if we put you back together, you'll earn yourself a better name.
Nowadays, Oliver only takes the trucks when the other engines are busy. But they are always quick to warn each other. Take care with Mr. Oliver. If you play tricks on him, you'll never be the same truck again. Scruffy has learned his lesson and says nothing at all.